What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. If you notice my desk and on my computer, because today we're going to do something a little bit different. So today we're going to review Halo Top ice cream. So I have 4 flavors that I bought. So basically, if you're not familiar with Halo Top ice cream, it's just more for like fitness and health centered people, for like a healthier version of an ice cream. Okay guys, so I have 4 flavors. I have sea salt caramel, chocolate covered banana, chocolate, and mint chip. So I'm going to taste test each of these flavors, kind of give you guys a little bit of the macros for each flavor. They're basically the same for each one as far as protein and calories. And I'm just going to let you know what my favorite one is and my overall take on Halo Top in general. So let's get into it. Alright guys, so the first one I'm going to try is the sea salt caramel. So it's 320 calories for this whole pint. So I mean, that's definitely much healthier than like a typical Ben & Jerry's or something like that you'd have. So it does say there's 4 servings per pint, 80 calories per serving, making up the 320 total. There's only 2 grams of fat, 15 grams of carbs, and 7 grams of sugar, and 5 grams of protein. So that's not bad, way healthier than any kind of ice cream. So this is the sea salt caramel. I'll give it a taste, and then I'll kind of review all of them at the end. Definitely really good. The caramel tastes really good. The thing about Halo Top in general, it just doesn't have like the same consistency as ice cream, but it's definitely really close. And you know, knowing that it's a lot healthier for you makes it better. But yeah, it's more of like a shaved ice type of texture. So we'll try the next one now. All right, guys. So the next one is chocolate covered banana. So this one slightly less calories, only 280 for the whole pint again. Pretty similar, so 4 servings per container, 70 calories per serving, 2.5 grams of fat, 15 carbs, and 5 grams of protein again. So again, not terrible. So chocolate covered banana, taste this one. Doesn't look like there's any, oh, there are some kind of like chocolate chunks in there. This one's really good too. Definitely really banana-y. So if you don't love the flavor of banana, this one's definitely like super like ripe, heavy banana flavor. So still good, but a little more banana flavored than I probably would have wanted. So the next one is just a classic chocolate. So same as the last one, 280 calories, in the exact same macros I think. 2.5 grams of fat, 12 grams of carbs, and 5 grams of protein per serving, right? So that there's 4 servings. So even if you ate this whole pint, it's still only, let's see, sugars was 5 grams, so 20 grams of sugar for the whole container. I mean, you definitely can't beat that. So this is just the regular chocolate. This one's definitely a little bit harder to scoop. Yeah, this one's pretty good too. Definitely like a rich chocolate. Tastes pretty good. I mean, nothing really fancy here, just plain chocolate. So good flavor, but I probably prefer like the caramel one or like a more fancy flavor. Alright, last but not least, mint chip. So this is actually my favorite kind of ice cream. So I have high hopes for this one. It's actually only 240 calories. So out of the ones that I have up here, the lowest amount of calories. For the macros, it's only 60 calories per serving, 2 grams of fat, 14 carbs, and 5 grams of protein, and then 5 grams of sugar. I think there's about 5 grams per serving in all of these for sugar. So we'll taste test this one. So I mean, it's not green, so the mint chip that you would kind of expect, it's a white mint chip. Make sure that we actually get a chip in there. I don't know if I'm biased because it's my favorite kind of ice cream, but this one definitely is my favorite, and it tastes more, the actual like ice cream or whatever this is, it tastes like real ice cream too. Alright guys, so my final take on the flavors, I would say my mint chip was my favorite. I would give that like a 9.5 out of 10. The traditional chocolate, I would say like a 7.5 out of 10. Nothing great. Like if I'm gonna eat one of these, I'm gonna pick a better one. The chocolate banana, I would give it an 8 out of 10, but again, you have to like super like the flavor of banana. It was more banana than it was chocolate. And then the caramel, I would give that probably a 9 out of 10. That one was really good. Alright guys, so just a quick little read of the ingredients. So they do have dairy-free ones, so I didn't get like the dairy-free. They have like a few selections for dairy-free. So these ones do have milk and cream, they have eggs, prebiotic fiber, milk protein concentrate. This one's got chocolate chips in it, right? But they have like organic cane sugar, sea salt, natural flavors, organic carob gum, so pretty healthy ingredients. I think they use stevia as a sweetener. And then there's also like a little kind of note from Halo Top that says that it does tend to freeze a little bit harder than, you know, your traditional ice cream because they don't use artificial softeners. So I did notice like I had to leave these out on the counter for a few minutes to kind of let them soften up. Otherwise it's literally like trying to, you know, get shaved ice out of a container. But once you let them thaw out a little bit, they taste really similar to ice cream. So my overall thoughts, definitely a good alternative to ice cream, especially if you're, you know, if you really love ice cream and you're trying to kind of cut it out of your diet. This will definitely, you know, curb your craving and not kill your calories and your macros for the day-to-day. I know this was a little bit of a switch up from my normal videos that I do, but just based on my passion for fitness and health, I want to try to incorporate these into my YouTube channel because I want my YouTube channel to be about everything that I'm into and not just strictly the Shopify and, you know, e-commerce stuff. So if you guys like this video and you want to see more stuff like this, make sure you smash the like button, drop below in the comments, let me know what you want to see, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. I'll catch you guys in the next one.